Passive income is a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom, and investing is the key to creating it. By inverting the equation to use the money to buy time, you can focus on creating excess money to make it work for you. The first step is living below your means to create an excess margin for investing. Building passive income takes time, but it's worth the effort. Investing in index funds is a simple and efficient way to generate passive income. Index funds are liquid securities that generate consistent returns, and the S&P 500 index fund has a historical annualized return of 80 years. Additionally, passive real estate investments like FTSE Nareit Index and bond indexes like Aggregate Bond Index can provide annualized returns of 12% and 4%, respectively, over the last 20 years. Automating your wealth creation with passive investments is a successful strategy for building wealth. Consider investing in REITs, mutual funds, and ETFs for a truly passive experience. Automating investments allows you to focus on other things in life while your money grows effortlessly. Everyone can be a saver and investor. Passive investing is mailbox money that grows over decades and requires no active involvement. By putting your dollars to work and setting it and forgetting it, you can graduate down the road and pull money out effortlessly. In summary, investing in passive income is crucial for achieving financial freedom. By living below your means and automating your investments, you can focus on other things in life while your money grows effortlessly. Consider investing in index funds, passive real estate, and bond index funds for capital growth. Anyone can be a saver and investor, and passive investing is a simple way to replace income. Thanks for watching.